Hello, in this video I will tell you how to charge your smartphone if there is no contact in the charging socket. As you can see, the battery charge indicator doesn't work. This means that there is poor contact in the phone's charging socket. All we need is just a tight rubber band. I use this rubber band. We need to attach a rubber band to the charging wire like this. Connect the charger to the phone and pull the rubber band onto the phone. As you can see, the phone's charge indicator is working, which means the phone is charging.